the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, a remarkable smartwatch boasting a fashionable design coupled with cutting-edge technology. Is this amazing watch the perfect fit for your lifestyle? Let's uncover the truth. The classic version sets itself apart with its rotating bezel, providing a seamless and easy-to-use GPS navigation experience. The sleek stainless steel body gives it a sophisticated and long-lasting feel, making it suitable for any occasion. Powered by the reliable Wear OS, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic offers access to a plethora of apps from Google Play Store like Google Maps, Spotify, and YouTube Music. It's rapid, responsive, and boasting numerous features designed to optimize your daily routine. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is designed with your health in mind. It flawlessly tracks your heart rate, SpO2 levels, sleep quality, and even your body composition. Whether you're hitting the gym or taking care of your overall wellness, this smartwatch is your go-to tool. Stay linked up without any hassle. With integrated LTE capability for the LTE model and Bluetooth connectivity, you can receive calls, texts, and notifications directly on your wrist, leaving your phone at home. What's more, battery life has never been more exciting. You can anticipate up to a full day of use after just one charge, and with fast charging capability, your watch will be fully charged in no time at all. Ready to make a quick transaction? With Google Pay and Samsung Pay support, you can conveniently tap and pay without ever needing to take out your phone. What's more, you can enjoy the convenience of a customized user experience with customizable watch faces and adjustable notification levels that cater to your specific needs. So, is the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic an outstanding investment? If you're in search of a fashionable smartwatch with advanced health monitoring features, an intuitive user experience, and a visually appealing design, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic might just be the perfect fit for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more tech content that's captivating and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for brand new videos. See you in our next one.